Gino, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Bumangon ka na! Anong oras na? Wala ka bang balak bumangon? Pag-aaral na nga yung ginagawa mo, hindi ka na nga tumutulong sa mga gawaing bahay, tapos hihilata ka lang dyan?
Hi. Ilang beses kaya ako mapapagod ngayong araw. A day in my life as a say student na stressed, depressed, di mahal na magulang, mabigat sa bahay, palamunin, tamad, walang stipend, at malapit nang sumuko sa buhay. Oh, ano ba yun?
Pre, kailangan ko kasing tulong. Vlog ko yung yapak.
Ano ba yung yapak? Di ba ano yun? Hug yun sa English, di ba?
Pre, yung yapak, solidarity walk siya to raise awareness for mental health.
Ha? Ano ba kasi yung mental health?
Mental health. Mental health is a state of well-being in which the individual realizes his or her own abilities. He can cope with normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution for their community.
Hello, Gino. Kaya mo pa ba? Baka na, wala naman ako sa pilit. Pre, sino interviewin dyan?
Pre, maghanap ka lang, meron niya. Ano ba yan?
Dali na, ikaw na.
Si ate na lang, oh.
Te,
Ate?
excuse me po.
Okay ka lang po ba?
Opo, okay lang po ako. Wala lang po kasang maayos sa tulog ko sa kahapon.
Bakit naman ganun, te?
Ano kasi, marami po kaming pete, tapos due date.
Buti po, okay ka po.
Ha? Oo naman, okay. Thank you.
Ay, okay po, thank you po.
Ay, sorry po.
Ano bang gumagawa po kayo ng assignment habang nagyayapak?
Opo, ano po kasi yon para hindi ko makram next week, kinakram ko na lang po na yon para hindi mo mamali makasagot ko.
Flashback.
Sige po, ingat po.
Sige, thank you. For many high school students, stress is the reality that they get from heavy tasks to peer pressure. Although it is a valid feeling, kung hindi natin ito na ma-manage, stress can cause sleep problems, fatigue, low concentration, and decreased motivation. According to a study in 2023, 4 out of 5 senior high school students are at risk of anxiety in Metro Manila. 3 out of 5 are at risk of depression.
3, 2, 1, go.
Name dyan, tawag ka.
Saan ka? Lalatan.
Sige man, kailangan ko din magpa-akin eh. Wala ah, nagaya ka ngayon gumala.
Feel ko kasi mababaliw na ako. Hindi kasi ako pinapansin ni Jelly.
Eh ba't di mo na lang kasi kausapin si Jelly? Sasayang ka lang ng oras mo eh.
Seryoso ka?
According to National Institutes of Health, coping mechanism is defined as the thoughts and behaviors mobilized to manage internal and external stressful situations. Ibig sabihin, bawat isa sa atin ay may sarili-sariling coping mechanism, kagaya na lang ng character ko. Ganito, ito.
Always remember, stress is a natural response to academic pressure. Ang importante ay alam natin paano ito i-manage ng maayos. Some experts recommend eating healthily, sleeping enough, journaling, exercising, and most of all, having someone to talk with.
In addition, there are also existing campaigns and other support systems such as Mental Health Philippines and the Philippine Mental Health Association and other school programs that are ready to support the children's mental health.
Your body is your mind's foundation. Self-care, self-awareness, self-love, and self-esteem. These 4 S are the spark. The first step is to build a stronger mind. So take that step. Start small, stay consistent, because a healthy mind starts with you.